Hello, good morning, and welcome to the Galactic Seabass channel. My name is Sebastian, and this is LIV Day 4. Made it to Claire's camp. It is currently Sunday morning, about 3:30 in the afternoon. That's a morning for me. We found this phone yesterday at bingo, and it has been getting blown up, so we need to go turn it into lost and found right now. See you guys there? Sometimes things happen, and you know what? You lose things all the time. But if you lose something, that's only so it can be found again. Thank you guys so much for returning this.
This whole thing? Alright, hold on. Is it charged?
It's charged.
I'll charge it.
She'll charge it. Guys, stop losing your stuff, especially your minds. What's up, dude? It's going good. It's pretty good. The weight has been lifted. Let's go have some fun. Hey, it's Brother Nature. I love you guys. I go to work. Okay.
Our farming's not ready. We're waiting for you to come back.
Oh, you guys hear about the workshop? We're going to be feeding the wildlife all the movements that we've been finding. So yeah, come on down to the lake. We're going to do that later.
That is definitely at least 20 glasses of beer. No question it's any less. Cheers. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe us, just watch California Truck. This is worth one free breakfast. Congratulations to whoever's phone I turned in, by the way. I took a bunch of photographs on it. If you could send them to galacticseabass@gmail.com, that would be splendid.
Wow, love you guys. First of all, but God is most merciful. Many works, many men converse. The soul search, sweat it out, really trying to work it out.
I love when the DJ doesn't even have to be behind the stand. He's just loving his own tune. Feed me the rock! These guys suck. Time to get wet. I haven't been in the water all weekend and I'm actually really excited for this. Send it, lend it, bend it, spend it. You feel me, doggy? Yeah. I heard. Unicorn overload at LIV 2018. Hello.
Outside.
Bingo gang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, that's my name. What? I didn't know it was my birthday. Thank you guys so much. Record right there.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes you don't bring swim shorts, and that's when you just have to go in your underwear, because you know what? When life calls, you just have to answer that phone and say, "Hello, life. I'm here to take your head on," and I still have earplugs in. This probably isn't good.
Oh my goodness, boys.
Oh, it's amazing.
How's the water?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Oh, really nice. Cold, fresh. Lots of beautiful people inside. Bro, this is for the boy. Ready to rumble. Taking today head on. How's everybody feel? 4 o'clock. Well, I feel good.
Watch your head, please. Oh. Safety third, I guess. Let's watch the beer. Let's see if the beer makes it. And oh, nope. I predict, oh, still, oh, wow. So close. Oh, he made it, and the beer is safe. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, Sebastian saved the beer.
Galactic Seabass knows how to make a drink last. I lost one of my earplugs. I told myself it wasn't a good idea. You know, I should listen to myself more often. Thanks for filming, Clara. Follow Miss Twist, please. Nothing feels like home. I'm so alone, trying to find my way back home. Yeah, I can't wait for Marshmallow set tonight at 2:30 at the favela. Going to be sick. My man here loves Marshmallow, dude. No, I just did it. LIB, guys. Oh man, this is one way to spend a Sunday. Alright, where's your kid? Is it mean? She's just lounging. Oh man, Fungineers at the end of the dock. You never know what you're in for out here.
But it's all good. There's nothing that his brother can't do with his mouth. There's nothing that his brother can't do with his mouth. There's nothing that his brother can't do with his mouth. There's one piece of confetti just stood right there. There's nothing that fun little Sunday haze.
Dance play, couple guineas, y'all up the price, me a coffee the release. Baby, a broke up, long limbs, begin.
Check out that moon. Luna, you look good today. Vida es bueno. You know, my mother always told me that I should be a model. What do you guys think? Like my beard? What do you think of my beard? We're off to see the sunset on Meditation Mountain. On the count of three.
Look at it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, ready?
We are here live at sunset here on day 4 of LIB at Meditation Mountain via the phone. I'm a good friend. And today is a good day. Look at this view. Wish you guys were here. Wow. This place filled in a bit. Sunset on LIB day 4. We've been having a great time and we're all about to do this together. You know what? Why don't we howl one more time like we did last year and see if we can start this off. Check this out. Back at it like Jack Rabbit's on a Jack Pat Rabbit and a Mac-tatic. Oh, no way. This was not planned.
Hey.
Hi, Jesse.
Hey.
Jesse, how was your weekend been?
It was really awesome. I had to work all weekend. I was a character. I was a troll and an elf. And now I'm Jessie.
Sweet. What's on the agenda tonight?
Fire spinning.
What time?
I don't know, actually. Maybe
All right.
around 10:30.
What's your favorite part about LIB? Top of your head.
Oh my gosh, all the art and music. That's it.
Love you, dude.
Love you too.
Always. with Beats Antique, featuring every single person at the lightning stage. Alright, only a few hours left. This Ferris wheel seems like it's going really fast. It might just be me. I'm pretty sure that's... Holy cow, that thing is flying. It's alive! Food. Here comes Pelosi.
Hello, LIB. How are you tonight?
Good.
I'm very excited. This is my second time here. It's always a very fun moment. Thank you for coming out. My name is Crazy from France.
David would definitely. Thank you for the music. but she walked away on her own task, so I guess I'm by myself now because I lost everybody. What's up, man? I gotta go. Gosh, great. Hello, welcome to Burger King. May I help you?
What up?
What up? It's about that time. Can I get a Alright, well, it's past 2 in the morning. I totally missed Marcus Wyatt's set. Closey killed it. Spent a little bit of time at the fried rice booth. Right now, there's no more music. There's a fire circle going on. I know exactly where I'm going, though. Bingo. What happened to the flow of traffic on this bridge?
You guys went for a long one. It's a long bridge ride.
Yeah, maybe for you guys. I think we're good. I think the people leaving the stage have completely taken over the path. Nikes. Boom. Bam. Boom. Biggity. Oh. Why? Why?
Yeah, what's up, bud? What's up, dude?
It was a bingo!
That was a blast last night, man. That was a blast last night.
Bingo! Prize number 1 is a kimono. Congratulations. Winner number 2 got a blanket. Nice job. Prize number 3, she got a leopard outfit. Congratulations. Prize number 4, this guy won a bong. The last prize is a big old trophy. Congratulations.
Welcome to the anointed. Yeah, girl. Winning the champagne. Almost winning. We got champagne for everyone. Because we are on the champagne campaign. It doesn't matter. Bingo extravaganza. We got champagne from champagne.
May I please have one, Stephanie?
Thank you for coming out tonight. And no matter
Thank
what
you.
you're gonna live, thrive, or something. At Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, we have one last song for you. We have one song too for you.
That's why I'm all up in your grill, trying to get you to a hotel.
Of this bingo extravaganza. We are the Great Bingo Revival. Until next time, spin the mix, everybody, everybody.
Photo time.
Felt it. Right, yo. Felt it. Hey, thanks for your help tonight, man.
Oh, lips on the bag.
Disqualified.
Great having you.
Is that a party foul? People just follow the music. So sick. What?
I was like, shit. Get into that joint. Okay, yeah.
What up, Seabass? Hey, what's dude? What's up, dude?
What's up, my man?
Hey, man.
Now give me cheap. Can I get my cash today? If not, tomorrow's fine as long as I ain't fucking getting dough, then that's the bottom.
See you next year, Woogie. Come here, get in this. It's LIB day 4. It's about 4:30 in the morning. Wes is eating a knish, am I correct? believe it's called a Knish. I got those earlier this weekend. Man, it has been quite the occasion. You guys have seen some tremendous things go down this weekend. Right now, it is 5 in the morning. Everybody's partying, and I have work in 4 hours. No idea how this is going to work, but I've had a lot of fun with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sebastian, aka Galactic Seabass. This is my man, Weston McGrath. And we are here in Bradley, California, lighting in a bottle. Thank you so much, 2018, and I will see you guys next year. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Peace.